2022, that is Thursday. Last time, 2017, the election was announced on 4th of January, and the counting was on 11th, and here we are announcing on 8th. So we are squeezing the time as also, and the faces also. And that particular schedule will also be given to you, and how the faces of UP have been put in 7 phases will also be provided to you by the media cell here. And we have ensured that in all 7 phases of UP, there should be equitable to be distribution of the assemblies, and that particular map will be given to you by our media cell. Now we call upon all voters in these 5 states to come out and vote as enthusiastically as they have always done in the past, especially the senior citizens, persons with disability, and women. Your presence at the polling stations, despite many odds and personal circumstances, is nothing short of being truly inspirational. Our fervent appeal to all stakeholders to maintain COVID-appropriate behavior at all times. I'm really thankful to my voters who have casted their vote in the earlier elections, during pandemic also, and basically in Bihar, in Assam, in Tamil Nadu, in West Bengal, and in many places, Puducherry, Kerala, in many places, the voter turnout of female was much more than the men. And I'm so grateful to all of them that in spite of their in public, the personal inconveniences, they have come and cast their vote. That is the spirit of the voter. That should remain always in their mind. And this is a festival of democracy. They should come out, as I have already enumerated in my earlier paras, that the voters' safety is there, the polling booth is safe, and the polling officials are safe. Therefore, I request to all the voters to come forward and cast their votes. Similarly, I will request to all political parties and entities to mentor their party workers to adhere to COVID safety guidelines, especially during the period of campaign. Let us all remember that the safety of each one of us is our collective responsibility. It is our collective responsibility, and together we can make this happen. Wishing you all the best. Thank you very much.
We'll take the questions. I'll repeat. Please begin with the name of your own name and your media organization name. We'll begin here. I'll come back to you, please. अपना नाम और मीडिया का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नाम भी बताएं।
सर हेलो सर, नमस्कार। मोहित दुबे, न्यूज़ नेशन से सर मैं हूँ। सर, इतिहास में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है जब से हिंदुस्तान में लोकतंत्र शुरू हुआ है कि पहली बार रैलियों पर बैन किया गया है। वर्चुअल रैलियां होंगी, नुक्कड़ सभाओं को भी आपने बैन लगा दिया है। तमाम जो सियासी दल हैं उल्लंघन करते हुए कहीं ना कहीं पिछली बार भी नजर आए थे। इस बार अगर वो उल्लंघन करते हैं तो क्या अगर कोई कैंडिडेट है तो उसकी आप उसको रद्द कर देंगे, उसकी कैंडिडेचर को, या क्या उनके ऊपर जुर्माना लगाने का भी प्रावधान है, और मॉनिटर कैसे करेंगे आप लोग?
देखिए, ये मॉनिटरिंग का काम जो है, बेसिकली जो मैंने अभी कोविड गाइडलाइंस में बताया कि वहाँ का जो डीओ है, डीएम एंड सीएस, हु आर द अथॉरिटीज अंडर एसडीएमए आल्सो, दे विल हैव टू टेक ए कॉल. Our persons, our CEO, our observers will be there to ensure that this thing should be absolutely followed. And if anybody does it, we will cancel his rally. We will not allow him to have more rallies into this particular area. So if we do not allow, initially we have already, banned up to 15, as I am telling you. We will further review because situation is very dynamic. I don't know how the situation will emerge, whether it is accelerating or it is decelerating. It is quite possible after some time it may, come down quite drastically, or it may come up drastically. So we will increase the situation. We will see the situation. We will definitely monitor, and the prime responsibility, as I have already spoken to you, that it will rest with the DM and the Chief Secretary, and we will take action against them also. And our persons are already there. Expenditure of all observers, general observers, they are there only to see this, and we will ensure that it should happen, because we are trying first time if something is being done. आगे बढ़िए तो सही, देखते हैं कि आगे आगे होता है क्या।
थैंक यू सर।
बीच के ब्लॉक से हम शुरू करें।
इसी से जुड़ा सवाल है सर, चुनाव के बाद कोई कार्रवाई नहीं होती है।
अपना नाम और
मेरा नाम मुर्शिद करीम है, मैं वंदे मातरम से हूँ। उसी से रिलेटेड सवाल है। आचार संहिता